I'm Ashley. I run production assembly. Today we're going to be talking about 3D printing. So every morning when I come in, I come to check to make sure the filament, all of the extruders are heated and the fans are going on. There's one where the filament broke, so the print only made like a third of itself. This is something that you see all the time. And sometimes it may run out of filament and it'll also look like this because there was nothing else to continue to make it. So I just dispose of them in our recycling bin so that we can send that off for grinding. For our biggest part with our red filament, we make our brain enclosure. It took us a while to actually get to a final print that we could use on the product because we tried a different filament which was PGET, which didn't work because it was too sticky, so we weren't able to pull it off without breaking anything. So we just wound up using a regular PLA, which got us the results that we needed. It's sturdy. One side of our vertical post that hooks up our reflective panels, our bottom and top panels. This is a heating bracket. It goes onto our extrusion fan, which blows out from the heater. We make 2 whole top corners. Make 2 whole bottom corners. Then we also make a 1 whole version of this. Our gray ones we make full and half clips, which also go into our vertical posts.